I want to start another new session with the topic of some updated news related with geography and other external affairs. I will continue this session from the last week of July onwards. It will run parallelly with my previous topic of Indian physiography. Now, just think a little bit. Consider this two term first, news and interest. If one in the North Pole, then other will be in the South Pole, isn't it? We hardly get any interest in news, right? But after watching this video, all of you can understand news can be that much interesting. So, without any further delay, let's come to the topic. So, first one, we have Mauritius disaster. What is that? Just have a look here. A Japanese ship, the name is MV Wakashio, struck a coral reef on July 25, which carrying over 3,000 tons of oil that is estimated as a result oil spill of over 1,000 tons into the Indian Ocean. Now, for better understanding, just have a look in this map. Here in this part we have Japan, that is Africa. Now, this one is Madagascar. In the eastern side of this Madagascar and in the southeastern part of Africa, we are having an important island that is simply known as Mauritius. Now, a Japanese ship loaded with oil was coming from this region through the Indian Ocean. And on the date of 25th of July, it struck with a coral reef which is situated in the Mauritius island here, okay, of Indian Ocean. As a result, the oil started to spill over the ocean water. As per US NOAA, what is the full form of NOAA? National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Birds and mammals can die for this by hypothermia. Now, what is this hypothermia? When one is having abnormally low body temperature, then this kind of health condition is simply known as hypothermia. Now, why hypothermia? Because oil destroys the insulating ability of different mammals. It also decreases the water repellency of birds' feathers. Now, repellency and insulating ability are two scientific terms. What are those? Just check it out. Okay. Oil spill had taken place near two environmentally protected marine ecosystem and Blue Bay Marine Park Reserve. Now see the location here in this map. First one, we have Pointe di Esne wetland. Here you can see that is the location. It is the rare subtropical mangrove forest declared as Ramsar Site of International Importance. Now, next one we have Blue Bay Marine Park that is situated here. That is the unique coastal wetland, home of 38 coral species and endangered green turtles. Next one, that is the third one. Third one we have Iliox Agrates Natural Reserve or Nature Reserve. That is the location here. The last remnant of dry coastal forest in Mauritius. That is the home of several endangered bird and reptile species. Oil spill cleaning processes. Here we have three important processes. First we have dispersion or chemical dispersion. Apply chemicals to remove oil from the water surface by breaking the oil into small droplets. With the help of different aeroplanes and jet plane, one can apply those kind of chemicals over the water surface or ocean surface to break the oil into small droplets. Second one we have burning or in situ burning, setting fire to freshly spilled oil which still floating on the water surface. Why this process is known as in situ? Because in this particular situation, that's why it is known as in situ burning. Third one we have skimming. By boats with a floating skimmer, thin layers of oil removed from the water surface. Another interesting information we have on July 30, 2020. Sakuntala Devi's daughter Anupama Banerjee received the Guinness World Record certificate on behalf of her late mother Sakuntala Devi, who was known as Indian math genius. So who was Indian math genius? Sakuntala Devi. On behalf of Sakuntala Devi, her daughter Anupama Banerjee received the Guinness World Record certificate. What title was given to her? That is fastest human computation or human computer. Okay, that's all for today. with another interesting topic, I'll come up again in this channel. Thank you.